everyone, this is Faye. Today I want to share with you guys a simple eye makeup by using Espoir Real Eye Palette Mauve Me.
Say it what you want. Say it what you need. Oh, you make all the noise, baby, baby.
If you like this makeup look and want to know how to create it, please watch this video until the end. First of all, I'm gonna start this tutorial by applying Espoir Big Glow Foundation all over my face. And I'm gonna use a makeup blender to blend the foundation evenly. This step is optional. Since I have dark circles, I'm going to cover them up by using a cream concealer. Next, I'm going to draw my eyebrows. For this look, I'm going to make my eyebrows color look a little bit lighter. First, I'm gonna draw the shape by using a skinny eyebrow pencil. And then after that, I'm going to fill in the eyebrows with light brown eyebrow powder to make them look softer. Next, I'm going to contour my face with shading powder. I'm going to start from my nose first. And then I'm going to apply the shading powder onto my jawline and the side of my cheeks. And I'm going to apply a little bit around the forehead as well. Now, moving on to the eye makeup. First, I'm going to apply the base color first. This light purple eyeshadow will definitely make the eyes look brighter. Next, I'm going to take a matte dusty purple color and apply it onto the one third of my eyelid at the other corner. And then continue with a tapered brush to apply the shimmy eyeshadow onto the lower lid and also the inner corner of the eyelid. After that, I'm going to apply the light pink eyeshadow onto the lower lid to create the eye gizzle. Next, I'm going to apply dark brown color onto the upper lid, and then I'm going to mix it with this gray eyeshadow and apply it onto the outer V, and apply it along the lower lash line to create a soft smudge effect. Next, I'm going to apply a glittery eyeshadow onto the middle part of my eyelids and onto the inner corner of my eyes. Since I like sparkling eye makeup, I'm going to apply a little bit more. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with a dark brown eyeliner and draw the tail longer at the end. Next, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. For this look, I'm trying to use individual eyelashes to create a natural eye makeup. I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara onto the lower lashes as well. Next, I'm gonna apply rose-based blusher onto the apple of my cheeks. This blush type will make you look a lot younger. And then last for the lips, I'm going to apply the base color first to make my lips look bigger. And then I'm going to apply Trashy Going Now, which is a purplish pink lip tint all over my lips. For the last touch, I'm going to apply highlighter onto some subtle feathers on my face to create a glowy look. Now the makeup is done. This is the finished look. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Say it what you need. Oh, you make all the noise, baby, baby, but then you don't speak.